The Lexus LFA is an uncommon sight. Yet the track-centered Nurburgring Edition is even less normal. The Lexus LFA is a standout amongst the most unbelievable supercars to dispatch in the most recent decade. When it touched base in 2012, it came as a total amazement from Lexus, an organization better known for making extravagance roadsters and vehicles. The Japanese supercar doesn't show up at huge name barters regularly. However, when it does, you can promise it will offer for significantly more than its unique $375,000 since just 500 were assembled. A 2012 case in sunset orange is making a beeline for the up-and-coming Barrett Jackson Palm Beach closeout this week. However, this isn't a standard LFA. What you're taking a gander at here is the Lexus LFA Nurburgring Edition, one of just 50 on the planet. As the name suggests, this LFA is more track-centered than the standard model. At a certain point, it was the quickest creation auto to ever lap the green hell. While the standard LFA produces 552 strength from its radiant-sounding 4.8-liter V10, the Nurburgring Edition's yield has expanded to 562 horsepower. Lexus likewise included a few carbon fiber parts, for example, a bigger front spoiler and a settled back wing help enhance downforce. Like the consistent LFA, 0 to 62 miles per hour takes 3.6 seconds. Previously, the Supercar bested at 202 miles per hour. Game-tuned suspension, grippier tires, and extraordinary multi-tocked wheels additionally recognize the Nurburgring Edition. This case going under the mallet has timed up 1,603 miles and was just determined by dealership workforce, while the standard auto would set you back $375,000. The Nurburgring Edition summoned an additional $70,000 premium. No evaluations have been given, however there's no save. The LFA has been out of generation since 2012. So Lexus could truly do with another Corona supercar in its present lineup. Addressing us at the current year's Detroit Auto Show, Lexus Group Vice President and General Manager implied that a LFA successor is an undeniable plausibility later on.